Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix a very common problem which is inside Cloudflare warp. So if your software is not working, if you're getting a register missing error, and I will show you in this video how to solve it. I personally had this problem a lot and it was so frustrating. So the solution to this problem is that you simply open Cloudflare warp and you will see this icon. This is actually the settings icon, and just left to this you have this icon. Simply click on that and this will open. As you see, this will open your settings. I think it's already open. So yeah, just click on that and click this button and it will show you the preferences. So right here you need to go to connection. So right here you clicked on connection. Basically this problem of registering comes to the connection. You have made some changes, you haven't realized it. In my case also I have changed some settings. So the best thing is that you reset all the settings that you have done. If you click this button, everything will be resetted. Click on that and this pop-up will come. Are you sure you want to reset Cloudflare warp? All your settings will be reverted. So just make sure you will get a new registration and warp account. Click on OK, and that's all that you need to do, guys. And after that, click on next, accept the terms and conditions, and that's all that you need to do. And if I try to run this now, 100% it will work. Just toggle this to on and it will building a tunnel and your problem will be solved. As you see now, we get this, your internet is private. We successfully turn this on. So in this easy way, guys, you can fix this problem very easily by simply resetting the connection. Go to connection, simply reset all settings. So essentially this registration problem comes either by if you have changed settings in the past, then it can actually cause these issues. So the best solution is that you go to connection and reset all settings. Just click this button and after that no more problems will come. And thank you very much guys for watching this. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel and also comment on this video.